All right, boys and girls, remember when we did rainbow words? We're going to do it again. We're going to write our words around the rainbow, and then we're going to color it. So the first word is win. Like, I hope you win the game. W-I-N. So go ahead and write win around the rainbow. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always push pause and finish what you need to do to catch up. Oops. And the last one, W-I-N. Okay. The next word that we're going to write is tin. T-in. So we leave a space and write tin around the rainbow. Like this. Good. Okay. Let's write pit. P-it. P-I-T. P-I-T. I think we can get one more. Pit. Okay, the last one. Let's do bit. B-it. Like I bit into the apple. B-it. B-it. Now that we have our rainbow done, we can go ahead and color lightly over our spelling words to make it look super nice. But remember, don't color dark so that you can still see your spelling words. All right, good job, boys and girls.